A WordPress menu or navigation menu is just one way that your site visitor can get around and locate various bits of content on your site. This video is going to show you a couple of different ways to add and edit your WordPress menus. Now to do this, we need to log into the dashboard area of our site, and I've already done that here, but if you've never done that before, it's real simple. Just up here in the address bar of your browser, type in the URL to your WordPress installation, followed by a /wp-admin, then hit enter on your keyboard, and a box is going to pop up asking for your username and your password. Go ahead and enter that, click on login, and you'll be brought to this page here. Then, over on the left, hover over the word appearance, and then in this flyout, come on down here and click on menus. And by default, you're not going to have any menus created. First thing we want to do is create our first menu, and you do that by just giving it a name. And you can call it whatever you want, then click on create menu. Now that kind of builds the structure. Now you want to add the menu items, and you can do that, like it says here, from the column on the left. Now by default, you have pages, custom links, and categories. If you want to also add other items like post, for example, come on up here to screen options and hit that drop down and check the box for post. Let's go ahead and close this up, and you can see here posts have been added. Now then, just go ahead and add the items that you want. Let's go ahead and check this box and that box, because I want to show you how to do a child page of the parent page. And you also have the option, by the way, to view all, or if you got a whole bunch of items in here,